Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of what OpenSea is and how you can actually make money with the platform. Probably you are new to NFT world, or you are just starting up. You need to understand what this platform is and get to know about some of the features and functionalities of OpenSea. So the first thing you have to do to go to the official website, which is opensea.io. So this is the page. So OpenSea is the largest marketplace for NFTs. So you are planning to launch, maybe probably you have an NFT project or you have an art in form of NFT and you are just starting out. It is advisable to implement this platform. You can just create any NFTs and then come to OpenSea and list it there. And since they have millions of users, they have millions of traffics, you can easily get people to buy some of your NFTs. And one thing is that it is to list on OpenSea with Polygon is quite easier and fast, and also they don't charge any amount, which means it is gas free. So when you come to the website, the first thing you have to do is to connect your wallet. So you can download a MetaMask wallet, and when you download the MetaMask wallet, you set it up. So I already have a MetaMask wallet, so I'm going to log into my wallet, and then as you can see, I'm logging. So the first thing is to create a profile. So when after setting up your wallet, you have to create a profile. So when you create a profile, the profile looks like this. You need to add a banner, profile picture. Then the next thing is for you to create a collection. For me, I have a collection already, so one of my recent projects. So you need to create a collection if you don't have a collection. And then after creating a collection, the next thing you have to do, so when you create a collection, you set which network you want to use. So let me go back. So click on create a collection. So it's asking to authorize with my wallet. So here you need to give it a name. You add your collection logo, the feature banner, the banner image. You put in the name of your collection, the URL that you want. So the URL has to be unique. Then you add the description, the category of your collection. Maybe it's art, maybe it's music. Then your social media links, you add it here, and then the percentage fee, how much you want us to collect as like royalty fee. So anytime people sell your NFTs, as many people as buying your NFTs, you make particular amount of money profit from that NFT. So here you choose the network you want to use. If you are just starting, I recommend going for a Polygon because it's free compared to Ethereum, which costs high gas fee. Then you can choose which token you want people to spend or to buy with your NFTs. So then you just click on create. Then the next thing after creating your collection, so you need to list your NFT. So you just click on add item. So here you add your image, the NFT, you put in the name here, the external link, maybe probably your website, the description of the NFT, and then you can add the properties, which means your metadata. So each NFT is recommended to have its own metadata, that's its unique properties. So the supply, choose the supply here, and then just click on create. So after clicking on create, then you need to make the the NFT available for sale. So after making it available for sale, your NFT is launched and people can come to your collection and they can mint some of your NFTs and then they can buy from it. So if you are just starting out in NFT, I recommend you taking your time to study how this platform work. Check out, you can see, you can also make purchase of some of the NFTs here. You can click on any NFT and then probably you want to make an offer or you want to bid for some NFT artworks. So as you can see, this is Moonbed and they have some couple of NFTs available. So if I want to buy it, I just click on buy now and then I can connect my wallet and then I can make a purchase. So here you can also filter to recently listed items, you can filter it to recently created and stuff like that. So you can also buy some collections will allow you to buy with your normal card, credit card. So it's quite possible. And then you can also check through their website. So I can click on the website and then go directly to their website and see. So as you can see, this is their website. So this is how OpenSea work, and then this is a quick walkthrough. So if you need if you have any question relating to OpenSea, you can leave a comment in the video. I'll try to respond to your questions. And if this video has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and share this video so you get notified anytime I publish new video. Thank you.